Want to automate tasks on your iPhone with just a tap? Here's how to create and use shortcuts in iOS to save time and personalize your workflow. First, open the Shortcuts app. It is pre-installed on all iPhones. Tap the plus icon to start a new shortcut, then select Add Action. From here, you can choose tasks like sending a message, opening an app, playing a playlist, or toggling low power mode. You can even combine multiple actions into one smooth shortcut. Once you've set your action, customize it, like choosing the app or contact it should use. Tap Next, name your shortcut, and if you want quick access, choose Add to Home Screen. You can even upload a custom icon or image to make it stand out. Now, you can run your shortcut from your home screen inside the Shortcuts app or just say it to Siri. Want it to run automatically? Tap the Automation tab. Create a personal automation and pick a trigger, like time of day, opening an app, or connecting to Wi-Fi. Assign your shortcut and you're done. And that's how you unlock automation on your iPhone in minutes. Want ideas for daily routines or focus modes? Hit follow and drop a comment.